Hello, my name is Stephen Hollowell. Today, I will be demonstrating the Simplicity Telstrat connector. Currently, the Telstrat connector is installed on my PC. Also, our Telstrat environment is integrated with our Cisco telephony environment. Down in the sys tray, you will see a green light icon, which is our Telstrat connector. The color green indicates that audio and/or screen capture recording is in process. Continuing on, I will place an inbound call to my IP communicator to demonstrate the connector in action. Once the call is placed, I will navigate to the specified URL that we want to pause recording. We will place the call at this time. You will notice in the sys tray that screen capture immediately starts and that the Telstrat connector is still green because we are recording all audio and screens at this time. Now we will open the web browser and browse to the specified URL that we have coded as a site that we do not want to record. The site that we are using for this demo is a sample credit card site. Once there, you will immediately see that the screen capture is paused and that our Telstrat connector has turned from green to red. Red indicates that all recording and screen capturing has been paused. This is a visual indicator for users that all recording has been paused and that they can safely enter any sensitive information that is needed. Now we will browse to another website. In the sys tray, you will notice that the Telstrat connector has turned back to the color green, indicating that all recording and screen capturing has resumed. Now we will end the call and play back the current call we just recorded from the Engage web client. We select the call. I am going to play the recording so that you can experience the playback of recordings when they are paused. Once the recording gets to the pause section, I will fast forward the playback file to the point where recording resumed.
That screen capture immediately starts and the Telstrat connector is still green because we are recording all audio and screens at this time. Now we will open a web browser and browse to the specified URL that we have coded as a site that we do not want to record.
As you can see, the playback file is still running, but all audio and screen capture information has halted. Now I will fast forward to the point where the recording resumed.
In the sys tray, you will notice that the Telstrat connector has turned back to the code green, indicating that all recording and screen capturing has resumed. Now we will end the call and play back the current call we just recorded from the Engage web client.
So, that is a demonstration of the Telstrat connector pausing audio and screen capture based on a specified URL. This concludes our demonstration, and thank you for your time.